another story.
All right,
That
let's take a
uses
look
Ivy
at one
to
of those
make
questions that we
kids
just saw on our page. Is division of whole numbers associative?
he's a
Is
chihuahua.
subtraction of decimals
Let's
associative?
check it out and
Something we have
see
to think about,
how
looking at those
Ivy is used to
counterexamples and
educate
why
us
it
here.
won't work. Remember that that associative property was, excuse me, how we associate the particular values, you know, putting the parentheses around. Let's talk about and take a look at why it wouldn't work for division. So let's say we had 3. Let's actually make this a little bit different. Let's do 9 divided by 3 divided by, let's do 6. And let's see if that's equal to 9 divided by, I'll put a question mark above the equal sign because we're trying to determine whether or not it's equal, so we're not sure. 3 divided by 6. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so let's start over here on the left side. 9 divided by 3. Remember with parentheses, we have to do those first, grouping symbols. So 9 divided by 3, it's going to be 3 divided by 6. We want to know if that's equal to 9 divided by 3 divided by 6, so it's going to be 1/2. All right, so let's take a look at what we have here. You have 3 divided by 6, that's actually going to be 1/2. We're determining, is 9 divided by 1/2, is that equal to? All right, remember that when we're working with division of fractions, we have to keep, so I'm just going to continue what I have there. We have to keep, change division to multiplication, and flip. 2 over 1, or 1 over 2 becomes 2 over 1. So what we get to is 1/2 equal 9 times 2, 18. They're not. So we see how that doesn't work in this instance. The other question talked about subtraction of decimals. Is that associative? So let's do 5.4 minus 1.9. Let's subtract that. Well, let's do 3.7. Is that equal to 5.4 minus, we got here 1.9 minus 3.7. All right, so here we're going to do 5.4, 1.9. So you're having trouble reading that, just so we can see above one another. Borrow 5, 3, so we got 3.5 minus 3.7. Determining is that equal to 5.4 minus, let's see what we have here. So, draw a line, change the sign. So now we're adding 1.9 plus negative 3.7. So we're going to subtract, use the sign of the higher number, 2. So it's 8.1. So it's going to be negative 8.1. All right, so here when we subtract, we're going to get a negative 0.2. Negative 0.2. And we're asking ourselves here, draw a line, change the sign, so it becomes addition. So it's 2 carry 1 over 7.2. We see that these are not equal. So remember that when we're talking about properties of numbers, it does not work when we're discussing division, nor does it work when we're discussing subtraction. Association or associative property only works with when only multiplication is being discussed or when only addition is being discussed. And then make sure that you're careful when you're working with other pieces. Thank you very much. Have a good day.